Moen offers a variety of shower heads with different styles and functionality. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a hand shower slide bar assembly to a hollow wall. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using an adjustable wrench, a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, drill and the appropriate drill bits, tape measure, level, and safety glasses. Step 2. Determine placement. Decide where you'd like to mount the slide bar. Mark 2 pilot holes at the proper location. Use a level if necessary. Step 3. Install the slide bar to the wall. Drill a 5/16" pilot hole to determine if there's a stud. If there is a stud, use wood screws to attach the mounting brackets to the wall. If the wall is hollow, drill 2 5/8" mounting holes and use toggle bolts. Start with the top mounting bracket. Make sure the button on the slide bar is facing upward. Align the notch in the slide bar with the groove in the bracket. Insert a toggle bolt into the bracket and partially thread an anchor onto the end. Squeeze the anchor together and insert it into the wall. Attach the bottom mounting bracket to the slide bar and insert the toggle bolt into the wall. Hold each mounting bracket and tighten the screw until secure. Then, insert a decorative cap into each bracket. The last step is to attach the hose. Insert the included washer into the non-tapered end of the hose. Thread it onto the drop L or shower arm diverter and tighten with an adjustable wrench. Insert the included washer into the tapered end of the hose and attach it to the hand shower. Tighten until secure. Then position the hand shower into the bracket. Turn on the water and check for leaks. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing a hand shower slide bar assembly is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.